Hidden within the forested hills of Kanji Dol, Slovenia, the wooden house by Studio PIKAPLUS is designed to feel like a natural extension of its surroundings. With a footprint of just 82 square meters, the home is carefully placed at the edge of a clearing where it embraces the landscape instead of reshaping it. From the very beginning, the architecture focuses on creating a quiet dialogue between shelter and nature. Its form draws inspiration from the traditional mountain cabin, reimagined with a clean contemporary language. Wrapped in dark timber cladding, the exterior blends into the woodland, while a gently angled facade gives the simple volume a refined architectural expression. Every element feels restrained, allowing the proportions, materials, and craftsmanship to define the home's character. Stepping inside, the atmosphere becomes noticeably warmer. Natural wood finishes soften the interior, while a full-height, glazed wall fills the living spaces with daylight and frames uninterrupted views of the surrounding forest. As the light changes throughout the day, the landscape becomes an ever-changing backdrop, making nature feel like an integral part of the home. The compact floor plan is organized with remarkable efficiency. The ground level brings together the living, dining, and kitchen areas alongside a bathroom with a sauna, creating an open and functional living space. Above, 2 bedrooms overlook the double-height living room, allowing light, openness, and visual connection to flow naturally between both levels. Rather than relying on size or complexity, the wooden house demonstrates the power of thoughtful restraint. Its modest scale, carefully crafted timber structure, and strong connection to the landscape create a home that feels timeless, peaceful, and deeply rooted in its environment, offering a meaningful example of how contemporary architecture can enhance everyday living through simplicity.